Maulana Maqsood Ul Hasan Kazmi is with us. Pirzada Muhammad Amin Shah of the Muslim Personal Law Board in Jammu and Kashmir. Maulana Kazmi is chairman of the Imam Council of India. Professor Shakil Ahmad Samdani, member of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board. Professor Samdani, I hope you can hear me. Zinat Shaukat Ali is with the studios in Delhi. Zakia Soman, founder of the Bharatiya Muslim Mahila Andolan. Zakia, congratulations and thank you for joining us tonight.
Thank you.
And Zakia ji and Naish Hasan, co-founder of the Bharatiya Muslim Mahila Andolan and social activist. Congratulations to you as well, Naish Hasan ji. And Dr. Lubna Sarwat, social activist, joining us from Hyderabad. Thank you very much. I hope you can hear me. नाइश हसन, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? मौलाना मकसूद उल हसन काज़मी को इस डिबेट पर कई बार उनसे आपकी डिबेट हुई है, हर बार उन्होंने कहा है ये नहीं हो सकता, और हर बार जब पूछा गया, whenever it was asked, he basically said that our religion does not allow it, and this was made a matter of religion, of religious rights.
I would like to say,
what would you say to Maulana Kazmi today? Yeah, Maulana Kazmi on the left, please. Yeah.
See, Maulana Kazmi, I would like to say that we should differentiate. There is a rule of Allah and there is rule of Mullah. Whatever is going on, Haji Ali, Teen Talaq, Shariat Kanun, it's all rule of Mullah. And I would say now your time is out. Nobody is listening you. दाढ़ी टोपी और ऊंचे पैजामे में दिन छुपा कर रखने वाले, your time is out now. And this is victory of women's movement. We should salute women's movement in India.
मौलाना काज़मी, आप अभी भी हमारे प्रोग्राम्स पर आते हैं, अभी भी आप समझते नहीं हैं, आप पहले भी नहीं समझ पाए, आपको कल तक लगा होगा कि आपके समय नहीं बदलेगा, मगर टाइम तो बदल चुका है। और दूसरी बात है मौलाना काज़मी, मुझे ये भी लगता है कि आज इसी प्रोग्राम पर आपको कह देना चाहिए सबको, मैं सिर्फ नहीं कह रहा कि आप नाइश हसन को कहें, कि जाकिया सोमान को कहें, डॉक्टर जीनत शौकत अली को कहें, कि डॉक्टर लुबना सरबत को कहें, आप सारे देश के औरतों को कहें कि आपसे बहुत बड़ी गलती हुई और आप करते आए, और आप आज इसी प्रोग्राम पर कहें कि ट्रिपल तलाक पर भी आपका जो पोजीशन है वो गलत है, और ट्रिपल तलाक के भी पोजीशन पर आपने जो कहा है कि औरतों को ट्रिपल तलाक दिया जा सकता है, आप जो अभी भी ये कहते हैं कि 14, 12, 13 साल की लड़कियों की शादी हो सकती है, ये भी गलत है। आप मान जाएं, क्योंकि कोर्ट्स भी आपके खिलाफ है, लोग आपके खिलाफ है, आप अकेले पड़ चुके हैं बिल्कुल जी। प्लीज, Naish wants to say something. Anyone wants to come in? Yes, please, Maulana Kazmi.
Yes, Arnab, from very beginning you have been misquoting Islam and Muslims. So
I haven't. You have been, sir. No, I haven't. You have misquoted the Constitution. You have misquoted the Constitution. You have consistently misquoted the Constitution. You have misquoted the principle of equality. You have misquoted Article 14. You have misquoted Article 15. You have spoken about prohibition of discrimination under Article 15. You are the people.
Problem with you, Arnab, is that
don't tell me the problem with me, sir.
Speak your opponents. Problem with you is that I am saying that the Haji Ali Dargah matter is not Islamic matter. It was the cultural matter.
Oh, it's not an Islamic matter now. No, one second. That's a hypocrisy of the highest order. Yes. I want to get Dr. Zinat Shaukat Ali on the other side. Till today, you kept saying, you kept coming on the program. Come on, don't be a hypocrite tonight, Maulana Kazmi. You said on the program, that it is a matter of religious rights.
Cultural matter. It's a traditional matter. I have never said it's Islamic matter. All over the world, women are allowed in all masjid, including Makkah and Medina. That is Islamic matter. And Dargah is the cultural matter. And Supreme Court has done, and the Haji Dargah is welcome.
Then why you...
People,
no, one second. Can I ask you a question?
I am asking you.
I am asking you. No, I am asking you. I am asking you. Maulana Kazmi, I am asking you a question. Listen to me. Maulana Kazmi, listen to me. I am asking you a question. Maulana Kazmi, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. You know, don't try and fool people like this. लोगों को बेवकूफ़ बनाने की कोशिश मत कीजिए। ये आप कल्चरल मैटर, रिलीजियस मैटर मत बोलिए, तो फिर मैं आपको पूछूंगा कि ट्रिपल तलाक जो है ये कल्चरल मैटर है कि रिलीजियस मैटर है? जवाब दीजिए।
Yes.
ट्रिपल तलाक रिलीजियस है कि कल्चरल है?
No, no.
नहीं लड़कियों को 12 साल की उम्र पे लड़कियों को 12 साल की उम्र में शादी करा देना रिलीजियस मैटर है कि कल्चरल मैटर है कि ट्रेडिशनल मैटर है?
Not at all. Arnab, let me speak. Triple talaq is a matter of religion.
Oh,
but this is the misuse of talaq. And the measure should be taken to stop it.
I am so sorry. Lubna Sarwat is on the debate. You are confused. You are confused. आप खुद confused हैं. आप लोगों को confused कराने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. लुबना सरवत सवाल पूछ रही है आपको हैदराबाद से. लुबना सरवत आज confused हो चुके हैं. मौलाना काज़मी.
How I am confused.
Lubna Sarwat, the debate is open.
People are very selective in
you don't have to give me compliments, sir. आप compliment मत दीजिए. आप compliment मत दीजिए. आप compliment मत दीजिए. Just 1 minute. आप compliment मत दीजिए. The fact of the matter is that a religious trust. No, 1 second. Just 1 minute. Lubna Sarwat, before you come in, don't confuse people about religious matters and cultural matters. The fact of the matter is a religious trust has been forced to do away with a discriminatory practice under pressure from Muslim women. आपको जितने मुस्लिम औरतें हैं उनको आप माफी मांगे आज. मैं तो कहता हूं कि पीरजादा मोहम्मद अमीन शाह है, मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉर्ड के मेंबर ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर से. मैं चाहता हूं पीरजादा मोहम्मद अमीन शाह सारे जितने मुस्लिम औरतें उनसे माफी मांगे आज. ट्रिपल तलाक के लिए माफी मांगे, हाजी अली के लिए माफी मांगे, 12 साल में शादी के लिए माफी मांगे. पीरजादा जी आप माफी मांगे. पीरजादा जी आप माफी मांगे. पीरजादा मोहम्मद अमीन शाह.
Don't shout. Listen to me.
एक पॉइंट यहाँ पर will bring you one point clear.
ओके, पीरजादा मोहम्मद अमीन शाह एंड लुबना
बात कर रहे हैं हाजी अली दरगाह की. लिसन टू मी नाउ. मैंने आपका सवाल सुन लिया, आप मेरी बात सुन लीजिए. आप जहां तक हाजी अली की बात आप कर रहे हैं, आप मुस्लिम वुमेन्स की बात कर रहे हैं. पहले मैं ये अर्ज करूं, अगर हिंदू औरतें हैं तो उनको सीता जी जैसी औरत पहले बनना चाहिए, तब जाके वो अपने राइट के बारे में सोचिए. अगर मुस्लिम
आई डोंट नो कहां पे लिखा है. नहीं आप कहां पे कह रहे हैं? आप नो 1 सेकंड पीरजादा जी, आप मेरी बात सुनिए. कहां पे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखा है? नो you tell me where in the constitution is it written? Where in the constitution is it written? You know पीरजादा जी, आप हिपोक्रेट हैं. आप ये कह रहे हैं आप इसको हिंदू मुस्लिम इशू बनाना चाहते हैं. क्यों आप इसको हिंदू मुस्लिम इशू बनाना चाहते हैं? क्योंकि आपको पता है कि आपको आज मुस्लिम औरतों ने एक्सपोज कर दिया है. आप ये बात सुनिए, ये हिंदू मुस्लिम इशू नहीं है, ना कभी था ना कभी होगा. पीरजादा जी एक मिनट, ये हिंदू मुस्लिम इशू नहीं है. पहली तो बात है कि आप अपने गलत फहमियों से दूर होकर डोंट ट्राई मेक इट अ हिंदू मुस्लिम इशू. पीरजादा जी, डोंट मेक इट अ हिंदू मुस्लिम इशू. इट्स नॉट.
आपका सवाल नहीं सुना आपने, मेरा जवाब नहीं सुना.
आई एम ओनली रिक्वेस्टिंग यू पीरजादा मोहम्मद अमीन शाह. जस्ट अ मिनट प्लीज. पीरजादा मोहम्मद अमीन शाह. You know, one second. Lubna, before you come in. Lubna, before you come in. Pizada, 1 second. Pizada, Muhammad Amin Shah. You're a very senior man. I don't want to raise my voice with you. But should you try to make this a Hindu-Muslim issue, I warn you on the news hour, do not try to make it a Hindu-Muslim issue. You first understand what I am warning you. I am warning you, sir, with the greatest of respect. I am warning you.
Don't try.
I am warning you not to hide the fact that your Mr. Pirzada.
Listen to me.
Mr. Pirzada, your game is up.
I'm not here to listen your lecture.
Mr. Pirzada, I don't play games. Mr. Pirzada, I don't play games. Maybe you do. Maybe people like you play games. I just want to tell you the truth tonight, Mr. Pirzada. And the truth is this, Mr. Pirzada. You listen to me, Mr. Pirzada. People have listened to people like you for a very long time. It's time for you to listen to me tonight, Mr. Pirzada. I want you to accept. Mr. Pirzada, just 1 point, please. Don't keep. If you speak over me, I'll speak over you. You first let me speak, and then I'll let you speak. First, listen to my point. Mr. Pirzada is free.
Unending speech है ना?
No, it's not an unending speech. If you stop your unending speech, sir, I will stop mine. My point to you, Mr. Pirzada, is this. Please listen to me.
You are my host.
Mr. Pirzada, listen to me here. 3 simple points, and then you can make your point. First point is it's not a Hindu-Muslim issue. Second is Muslim women have beaten you. You are the chauvinists. You are the people who use religion to discriminate against Muslim women. They have taken you on, they have beaten you. The people of this country are with Muslim women, not with people like you. The people of this country are with Muslim women. The Supreme Court of this country is with Muslim women. And all
Had
women.
they been Muslim women, then things would have been different.
They can speak up for themselves. They don't need you. I think Lubna Sarwat represents Muslim women much more than you.
नाम रखने से कोई हिंदू नहीं बनता है. Listen to me.
आप फिर हिंदू मुस्लिम करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम क्या है आपके साथ पता है? आप आज इस बात को मानने से तैयार नहीं है कि आप आज एक्सपोज हो चुके हैं. मुस्लिम औरतों ने आपको सवाल उठाए, मुस्लिम औरतों ने आपको टेक ऑन किया, मुस्लिम औरतों ने पिटीशन ले गए सुप्रीम कोर्ट. लुबना सरवत प्लीज. लुबना सरवत प्लीज. लुबना 1 minute. Lubna Sarwat wants to say something to you. Lubna Sarwat, go on.
May I use this?
Yeah, go ahead, Miss Sarwat.
Thank you. Thanks, Annam.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, Annam. I would like to use this platform so that the Indians and everybody need to know some very important facts. See, let us understand that 15%, given that 14 to 15% of population is Muslims in India, and out of that 50%, 48 to 50% is the women, that is 7.5% population of India, which constitutes the Muslim women, are not allowed entry into the lakhs of masjids across the soil of India. This is the type of gender discrimination that is going on. And let us understand what sort of a status that the masjid enjoys within Islam. From the time of Prophet Muhammad, masjid has been a platform for socio and religious and progressive discussions and for 5 times prayers. Okay, it is a community center. Now this sort of a center, when you deny a woman to right to entry in that itself, you are denying her the right to information, right to knowledge, right to interact, right to pray. All sorts of rights have been barred. Now this sort of a huge discrimination that's happening on the basis of a gender needs seriously to be addressed. So I'm really not satisfied that today Haji Ali Dargah has some entry for the women. I want to make this a platform so that Quran में है भाई, in the Quran it is openly written in chapter number 7 verse number 31, there is an invitation for the entire humanity to the masjid. यहाँ तो मुसलमान औरतों को अंदर दाखिल नहीं दे रहे हैं, जबकि पूरी इंसानियत को वहाँ पर जाने की इजाजत है and it's welcoming. And for what reason shouldn't we allow the woman or anybody for that matter, any person, any humanity can enter into the masjid?
किसने कहा?
Why are we having this?
मेरी बहन पहले मुझे ये बताइए, किसने आपको कहा कि नहीं जा सकते हैं? नहीं, किसने आपको कहा है कि आप नहीं जा सकते हैं?
तो लाखों की मस्जिद में दाखिली क्यों नहीं है?
यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड माय सिस्टर.
तो दाखिली क्यों नहीं है? औरतों को कहां पढ़ने दिया जा रहा है?
अरे कहां हम कहते हैं कि ना जाए, जाए, पूरा हक है. जिस तरह एक मर्द को अल्लाह ताला को तलाश करने में, जन्नत को ढूंढने का हक है, उसी तरह एक औरत को भी है. लेकिन कुछ सर्टन पैरामीटर सर दिया.
क्या पैरामीटर्स हैं?
आप एक दुनियावी मिसाल मैं आपको दे दूंगा. यहाँ आप कहते हैं कि औरतों,
पैरामीटर्स क्या है जरा बताइए. पैरामीटर्स क्या है? पैरामीटर्स क्या है?
मैं
पैरामीटर्स बताइए.
आप कहने तो दे दीजिए ना.
पैरामीटर्स क्या है?
कहने तो दे दीजिए ना.
पैरामीटर्स कहाँ लिखे हुए हैं?
यहाँ आप औरतों के लिए अलग से. अरे वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. Why you are posing your?
No, I am posing questions to you. You must understand why, because you know you have the temerity.
No, you are not posing questions.
No, I'm telling you, I'm telling you now. Listen, Mr. Pirzada, you are the people who have misinterpreted the Quran.
बोलिए भाई, पैरामीटर.
You are the people who have subverted the Quran because you want to hold your position in power.
ये सारा डिबेट आपने सिर्फ डिस्कशन में ही खत्म किया, अभी तो बात ही नहीं हुई मेरी.
मिस्टर पिरजादा, 3 लोगों ने अभी तक बात नहीं की, मगर आपका माइंडसेट ये है कि आपको लगता है सिर्फ आपको बात करने का मौका नहीं मिला.
नहीं, मेरा माइंडसेट ये है कि अगर आप यहाँ अगर औरतों के लिए एक सेपरेट बस ऑफ यूज कर रहे हैं ताकि उसमें कोई मर्द न बैठे उस सीट पर, ये इसलिए कि एक औरत की हुर्मत कायम रहे, उसकी सैंक्टिटी कायम रहे. ओके, वेलकम. उसी तरह से अगर एक औरत मस्जिद में जाती है, मस्जिद में उसके लिए अलग सा इंतजाम हो, इतना सा हम कह रहे हैं. और आप इसको वो पहाड़ बना रहे हैं, राय का पहाड़ बना रहे हैं. अगर एक औरत उस लिहाज से पर्दे में रहती है, अभी मेरी बहन कह रही है कि कुरान में है सूरह नूर, अगर ये पढ़ेगी आयत नंबर 29 और 30, उसमें ये लिखा है कि अपने मर्दों से हुक्म कर दो या रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम कि वो अपने शर्मगाहों की हिफाजत करें और नजरें कुछ नीचे रखें. बात सुनिए
नजरें
इसी
नीचे
तरह से
रखें।
औरतों से भी ये कहा गया है।
गाहों की हिफाजत मर्द और औरत दोनों के लिए है।
ये नजर वो नहीं है।
दिस इज नॉट ओनली
हाँ,
फॉर
ये
द
मैंने पहले
वुमेन,
मर्दों का कहा।
दिस इज नॉट ओनली फॉर द
अरे मेरी
वुमेन।
बहन, पहले मैंने मर्दों का ही कहा।
शर्मगाहों की हिफाजत मर्द और औरत दोनों के लिए है। डोंट से दैट दिस इज जस्ट फॉर वुमेन।
अरे आप क्यों चिल्लाते हैं? मैं यहीं से
Mr. Pirzada, 1 minute. Mr. Pirzada, I've heard you, and can I request you to stop for a while now? Thank you. Simple point is, who are you? If someone were to ask you today, that who on earth are you?
It is not me. It is Quran.
Don't
it is not me.
No, it is not the Quran.
It is not me.
It is not the Quran. It is not the Quran. The Quran does not discriminate against women. You discriminate against women. The Quran does not prohibit entry of women. You discriminate. You prohibit entry of women. The Quran does not talk about triple talaq. Mr. Pirzada, the Quran does not talk about triple talaq. Chauvinists like you talk about triple talaq, Mr. Pirzada. And you don't believe in the Indian Constitution also. Now I'd like Zina Chaukat Ali to come in here. You are fighting a losing battle, Mr. You are fighting a losing battle, Mr. Pirzada. Mr.
आपने बीच में से ठोक दिया। Why?
Mr. Pirzada, will you? Mr. Pirzada, आपको
that go.
Mr. Pirzada, आप 2 मिनट रुकेंगे? आप ये तो समझ ले, 3 लोगों ने बात नहीं की अभी तक, सिर्फ आप बोले जा रहे हैं।
मैं तो रुका ही हूँ, मैं आप ही की बात सुन रहा हूँ।
नहीं, आप दूसरों की बात सुनिए प्लीज, और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की बात थोड़ी सुनिए। Yes, please. Zina Chaukat Ali,
Yes.
what is next? And what about this interpretation that is being given now that entry into Haji Ali was never a religious issue? You have been with us on programs for the last 7 months. Each time I remember, including the gentleman on the screen now, Maulana Kazmi, kept saying that it is a religious issue. Religion has said, Maulana Kazmi will remember, he said religion has prohibited the entry of women into the Haji Ali shrine. Don't change your line now. Zina Chaukat Ali now, please. Zina Chaukat Ali. Zina Chaukat Ali, please. Zina Chaukat Ali.
And traditional issue.
Yes.
Zina Chaukat Ali.
You produce my footage accepting that the Dargah
Thank you,
Haji
sir.
Ali is the religious issue.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Arnab?
Sir, thank you, sir. Zina.
Thank you. Thank you, Arnab. Yes, we have been debating this issue, and time and again this has come up. I don't know about Maulana Kazmi, but everyone else did make this into a religious issue. As a matter of fact, I quoted from several sources of the religion to say that this was not a religious, I mean, this was an issue where Hazrat Aisha herself was in the sanctorium, where her husband, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was, peace be upon him, Prophet Muhammad was buried there. Next to him was her father, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, and next to him was Hazrat Umar Farooq, and she was living in that house. So where could there have been any kind of prohibition as far as women were concerned? That was my point number 1. Point number 2 was that Hazrat Fatima, who was the daughter of the Prophet, used to visit her grand uncle Amir Hamza every Friday, and she used to go there and spend time at his grave. So where is the question? This is the Prophet's daughter. Again, it was asked of Hazrat Aisha. So, there are several instances which I have pointed out religiously, and yes, this debate did take a turn, but I want to say, Arnab, that it is a very, very great victory for the truth. For me, it is a great victory for the right. It is a great victory for gender. It is a great victory that, that God has bestowed. And, whatever anybody else has to say, today women are allowed to go to the Sancta Sanctorum. And I think that itself is a major victory for all the men and women and all of you who have fought for this.
The reason, Zina Chaukat Ali, we've only had the great opportunity, and I would say the great honor of amplifying your voice. 1 second, Maulana ji, I have 2 other panelists. Will you let them come in, please? I request you. Maulana ji, I'll come to you. आप आज बेचैन मत होइए, क्योंकि अभी तो शुरुआत है ना, अभी नेक्स्ट ट्रिपल तलाक पे होगा. आप धैर्य रखिए, सब कुछ होगा. 1 second, and I'll tell you why it will be triple talaq next. 1 minute. I want Zakia Soman to come in with Professor Samdani, who is a member of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board. I believe that it's an idea whose time has come. It's just unstoppable right now, the force of this idea. And I believe, personally, Professor Samdani, whatever you people in the Muslim Personal Law Board do, you can communalize it, you can may try to make it Hindu-Muslim, but I just want to tell you, sir, you are about to lose this fight. and you're about to lose it in a way that your hypocrisy is about to be exposed on fact, with the greatest of respect. And triple talaq is next. Triple talaq will be removed from every clause in any applicability on anyone in this country. No Muslim woman will be discriminated on the grounds of triple talaq, because if you look at what has happened, and I hope you have a logical argument with me and don't try to make this a Hindu-Muslim issue. Professor Samdani, triple talaq is next because what has happened in Haji Ali is about gender discrimination. Gender discrimination, religion cannot be used as a tool to defend gender discrimination. That is the basic principle of the great victory of the right to pray as enunciated by the Supreme Court in the context of Haji Ali today. Law is based upon precedent and jurisprudence. If I use this as the precedent, you give me one logical reply. That if today religion cannot be used as a tool for gender discrimination, if you apply the same logic, how you can allow triple talaq? Give me one factual reply, the debate will be open. Can the member of the Muslim Personal Law Board please tell me why triple talaq will not be next? Because women of India have ensured that neither is religion, A, or tradition, or gender an excuse for anyone to deny women their constitutionally enshrined rights. Please, Professor Samdani, present me a counter.
I was told that the debate will be focused on the entry to the Dargah.
It's all linked. It's all linked.
Dargah. Now you. No,
it's all linked.
No.
It's linked.
The debate is on Haji Ali Dargah.
It's linked.
Please, I would like to express my views on this affidavit given by the trust in the Supreme Court. So please ask me question about this affidavit which was given by the trust, Haji Ali Trust. They have given the undertaking that within 15 days or within 1 month, they will be allowing the women to visit the Sanctum Sanctorum, and they are going to open a separate gate for them, and both men and women, they will be allowed to see the shrine from a safe distance. So I think this is their administrative judgment. They have taken a decision, and that decision is going to be implemented.
No. First of all, one second. First of all, I am really sorry at the way in which you speak. I am horrified with the language that you use. I cannot believe that a person who calls himself a professor can talk about. One second. I'll tell you why.
Horrified?
I'll tell you why if you listen to me, Professor. I'll tell you why. First, no, listen to me. My first question is, and I still have problems with the present situation, because I am told that while women will be allowed to enter the Sanctum Sanctorum, both men and women will not be allowed to touch the shrine. So in a way you brought about, I am happy today. Listen, Professor, will you listen to me? I am happy. I'm happy that there is a sense of equality, that both men and women will not be allowed to touch the shrine. So in a way there's equality. But my question is, someone explained this to me, Zakia Soman, that if men could earlier touch the shrine, why should both men and women be stopped from doing so now? The essential premise seems to be that women should not be allowed to touch the shrine. And therefore, as a compromise, even men will not be allowed to touch the shrine. But the basic premise seems to be that there is a big problem if women touch the shrine. And in order to keep women out from touching the shrine, even men will be kept out. So while there is a basic premise of equality, underlying that premise of equality today is a horrible sense of chauvinism that still exists. Zakia Soman, founder of the Bharatiya Muslim Mahila Andolan, maybe you can point out that fact.
You hit it on the head, Arnab. It is exactly what you're saying. Because they do not want to allow women to enter the Sanctum Sanctorum, they have now decided to debar women as well as men.
Yeah.
And they are going to allow both men and women to come only as far as 5 feet. So this is some definition of equality. You know, in the same submission, The trust begins by saying that they believe in gender equality and they believe in equality of women, but this is some very twisted kind of equality. I would also say that this is not just, the Bombay High Court judgment is not just a legal victory, it's also a huge, huge moral victory for us. Because the trust comprises of very powerful men, very well entrenched men, who are the patriarchs of the trust and of the dargah, and we are very ordinary women who are fighting, given our sense of justice, drawn from the Quran, drawn from our religion, and also drawn from the Constitution. And it's a really happy day where the courts of our land, the Bombay High Court as well as the Supreme Court, is standing by us. So it's a huge day for India. It's a huge day in the women's struggle to fight for justice and equality, and the way the patriarchs have been unsettled. It's a huge moral victory for us today.
I agree with you on that, but I'm on a simple point here.
ज़किया साहबा, मैं एक बात कहना चाह रहा हूँ, मैं एक चीज़ ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ आपसे कि 2011 से पहले तो दरगाह तो खुद ही सभी के लिए खुली हुई थी. 2011 में
No, why can't we? No, one second. Why can I ask you one second, Professor? I have a question for you. The khadims in the Haji Ali Shrine, जो खादिम है वहाँ पे, are they men or women? वो जो खादिम है Haji Ali Shrine के, those who take care of the shrine, and I want Naish Hassan to come in on this, are they men or women?
क्या सवाल क्या कर रहे हैं?
The khadim,
men है,
and they are
no, 1 minute, Professor, listen to me. Professor, listen to me. My question, the khadims in the Haji Ali Shrine, are they men or women?
साहब, मैं तो जब गया हूँ वहाँ पर, मैंने 2 बार विजिट किया है उसको, वहाँ बहुत सारे लोग थे, हमें नहीं मालूम कि
Okay,
कौन
so
खादिम है,
one
कौन
second,
नहीं
one
है.
second.
आप बता दें तो मैं उसका जवाब दे दूँ.
My information is that they are men, and my question is that if they are men, listen to me. You seem to be very happy.
Yes,
listen
all
to
are
me.
men.
Listen to the point. If they are men, how is it that they can be allowed to touch the shrine but women cannot? You please, Naish Hassan, is that not an issue? Because this seems to me, no, Mr.
ठीक है.
No, listen to me. This basic theme seems to be somehow keep the women away from the shrine. Don't let them touch the shrine. In a way, this is like Shani Shignapur, where the court directed both men and women not to touch the sacred rock. But then the court should also ask, and with the greatest of respect to the court, the question is legitimate out here. If the purpose of men and women entering the sanctum sanctorum earlier was to go near the shrine, to touch the shrine and to offer prayers, why should they not be allowed to touch the shrine now? People come from all over the country to visit the Haji Ali Dargah. This includes both men and women. Naish Hassan and Lubna Sarwat, I would like you to come in on this. Why prevent both men and women from touching the shrine when they could do so earlier? Why not revert to the status quo? My question is not to you. My question is not to you, sir. I'll listen to the women tonight. I want Naish Hassan to come in on this. Naish जी, आप बताएं.
हमको जवाब देने दीजिए कि जवाब देने दें. मेन वहां पर है.
There was no issue. I have visited many times Haji Ali. There was no problem. But all the power was on men's hand. The trust was very patriarchal. And after some time they have made their rule that women can't enter.
वर्शिप का कोई कंसेप्ट ही नहीं इस्लाम में कब्र के लिए है. और में फातिहा पढ़ने लोग जाते हैं, रेस्पेक्ट के तौर पे जाते हैं, वर्शिप करने नहीं जाते हैं. वर्शिप तो नमाज पढ़ने को कहते हैं जो मस्जिद में होती है. दरगाह में मस्जिद अगर है तो वहां वर्शिप करने जाएंगे. दरगाह में तो रेस्पेक्ट करने के लिए जाते हैं.
तो उनको करने दीजिए ना. आप उनको वर्शिप करने दीजिए, वो कुछ भी करें, उन्हें करने दीजिए. पर आप कैसे रोक सकते हैं उनको? You cannot stop women. But they are doing worship or they are just visiting. They are sitting in the sanctum sanctorum.
अगर कल को कोई आदमी कहे कि हम जाके वहां शराब पिएंगे, तो क्या आप शराब पीने देंगे? आप कह रही कुछ भी क्यों करने दीजिए. हर चीज की एक सेंटिटी होती है।
आप चीज
दरगाह
को
में आप मेरी कुछ भी करने दीजिए।
प्रोफेसर वन मिनट, प्रोफेसर समदानी,
सेम क्वेश्चन टू द मैन।
प्रोफेसर समदानी,
मैं चुप हो गया,
प्रोफेसर समदानी, आप सुनिए, आप जो ये डिबेट चल रहा है ना, इसको डाइवर्ट करने की कोशिश मत कीजिए। और जो नाइश हसन इधर बहुत रिस्पेक्टफुली आपको पॉइंट्स रख रही है, वो आप इसको ट्रिविलाइज मत कीजिए। ये मत कहिए कोई शराब पिए, ये शराब पीने की बात नहीं कर रहे, बहुत सीरियस बात कर रहे हैं। जब वो कह रही है
कुछ भी कहा कि कुछ भी कर सकती है,
हाँ जी, उसको मिस इंटरप्रेट मत कीजिए। जब उन्होंने कहा कुछ भी करने दे, तो आप ये समझिए वो क्या कह रही है।
अंदर वर्शिप कर रही है या नहीं? इफ शी इज वर्शिपिंग और नॉट, दिस इज नॉट एन इशू।
नाइश, he understands. Naish, 1 minute, listen to me. Professor Samdani, Naish, you think Professor Samdani is not understanding what you're saying? ये बिल्कुल समझ रहे हैं आप क्या कह रहे हैं, मगर इनको बहुत डर है आज। और जैसे मौलाना काज़मी को भी आज बहुत डर है कि इस हद पे हम किसी तरह से रोक ले औरतों को। इसके आगे अगर चले जाए तो औरतें फिर कल ये मांगेंगी कि 12 साल की लड़कियों की शादी नहीं होनी चाहिए शरिया के अंदर। पीरजादा जी, आप क्यों अभी चिल्ला रहे हैं? मैं तो कुछ आपको नहीं कह रहा बुरा,
चिल्ला नहीं रहा हूं। मैं कहता हूं कहां से कहां आप इसको खींचे जा रहे हैं।
मैं कहां के कहां नहीं ले जा रहा।
पर्टिकुलर जियारत में अगर कुछ लोगों ने उनको अलाउ नहीं किया तो ये कैसे नेशनल इशू बन गया? ये
नेशनल इशू बिल्कुल है।
किसी जात का
ये नेशनल इशू है, ये नेशनल इशू है।
जहां तक हमारी बहनों का ताल्लुक है, वेदर दे आर हिंदू और मुस्लिम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे शुड नो, अगर मुसलमान है तो उसको उस दायरे में रहकर बात करनी चाहिए।
मैं पहले तो एक बात कहना चाहता हूं, आज पहला सबसे व्हाट इज दिस दायरा? व्हाट इज दिस दायरा?
मैं बताऊं अगर I will tell you, my sister, I will tell you.
I am not going to follow your daira. I am not answerable to any mullah.
मेरे दायरे की बात मत करिए. If you are a true Muslim lady, then you should follow the commandments of Quran, not any other.
No, we are not going to follow you.
अरे मेरे दायरे की बात कहाँ आ गई? आप इधर से कुरान की वर्सेस मुझे कोट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उस पर अमल नहीं कर रहे हैं, तब भी आप अपने आप को मुसलमान कह रहे हो। अगर मैं कुरान की वर्स, आप लिसन टू मी, डोंट शाउट। अगर मैं कोई बात कुरान की कह रहा हूँ, मैं उस पर अमल नहीं कह रहा हूँ, तो मेरा मुसलमान होना कोई मायने नहीं रखता है।
आप सुन क्यों नहीं रहे? पीरजादा जी, आप क्यों नहीं सुनते? नहीं, मैं बेसिक सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ, पीरजादा जी। मैं ये ह्यूमन बिहेवियर देख रहा हूँ इधर। पीरजादा जी, 2 मिनट रुकिए, 2 मिनट रुकिए, 1 सेकंड।
औरत को बेपर्दा रहने की इजाजत है कुरान में।
1 सेकंड, 1 मिनट। नाइश, पीरजादा मोहम्मद अमीन शाह, क्या आप अगर मेरे को सुन रहे हैं तो मैं 2 बातें कहूंगा, आप मेरी बात सुनिए। पहली बात तो ये है,
लाउड एंड क्लियर,
वेरी गुड, इफ यू आर हियरिंग मी लाउड एंड क्लियर, देयर आर 2 points I want to make to you. That you are extremely uncomfortable, right, when an independent will you stop laughing?
बताइए आप रुक क्यों गए?
Now the question is that you are extremely uncomfortable when a free thinking, independent,
आपके नजरों में
well aware, you don't listen to anyone else, you see. This is not a meeting of the Muslim Personal Law Board.
Why not?
This is the news hour. So I'm telling you, Pirzada Mohammad Amin Shah, that you are extremely uncomfortable when Naish Hassan is speaking today. You are extremely uncomfortable when Naish Hassan is speaking today because Naish Hassan represents an independent thinking, free-willed, very well aware woman who is not willing to take your discrimination lying down, and she is asking you, who are you to set me the daira? And I am asking you, who are you to set anyone the daira? Because the only daira, the only limit, the only Lakshman Rekha, the only boundary, the only rule that exists in this country today, Pirzada, is that of the constitution of this republic. You must make it clear tonight to everyone tonight whether you believe in the daira. I want to know from you today, Pirzada. I want to know from you today if you have the sense to listen to me tonight. Pirzada Mohammad Amin Shah, I say to you tonight, I am saying this to only you tonight, Pirzada Mohammad Amin Shah, and you are speaking over me because you don't want to take my questions. and I'm going to put my questions to you. Can the gentleman be on the screen, please?
The Quran here.
Can he be on the screen, please, tonight?
Then
I will ask you some
not say that I am
questions.
Muslim.
I will
Then
ask you some
I will not
questions
follow
on the
the commandments.
Constitution, and I will ask you some
नहीं,
questions on the
ये
Quran.
देखिए सेकुलर इस्लाम नहीं है. This is not any secular
But
Islam.
don't teach Quran,
Islam is
don't teach
Islam.
religion to us. We have enough understanding on the religion.
Why not? Why not?
Who are
I am
you?
Muslim. I have to discuss.
Fine. Okay. Now, will you,
Why?
Pirzada?
What does
Please,
that
please,
mean? Who are
we
you?
don't
What
want
does that
any
mean?
justification from you.
I don't need your justification. If you are,
She doesn't
if
need
you
your
are
preaching.
behaving
She doesn't-
like a Muslim woman, then
No,
you
no, no.
should.
And who? No, you. No, one second.
Listen to me first.
Are you?
Listen to
Are
me
you?
first.
Are you?
You are not following the commandments
Mr.
of
Pirzada.
Quran.
Mr. Pirzada, I want to understand from you.
No, no, no.
Nice, 1 minute. Nice, 1 minute, please. Nice 1 minute. I just want to understand this man's mindset. Mr. Pirzada, now, if you stop shouting at everybody and being rude, because the basic
I'm not
problem is that
shouting. I'm not
whenever one of our participants here is speaking, and we have 4 very well aware people who are aware more about the Constitution and more about the Quran than you ever will. You understand? Between Zinat Shaukat Ali, Zakia Soman, Naish Hassan and Lubna Sarwat, they know more about the Quran, the Constitution, religion than you will ever know. It's just that you happen to be sitting as a secretary of the
मैंने तो
Muslim
challenge
Personal
नहीं
Law
किया,
Board of
उनके
Jammu and
जानने और न
Kashmir.
जानने
So
को
you
नहीं
have,
करता हूँ.
you believe you have a right to sit here and ask somebody, are you a true Muslim woman?
I
Don't
am
do
not
that.
challenging
Don't do
their
that. Don't be
integrity,
pretentious. Don't be
their
rude.
education
Don't be
and their all
pompous.
that.
Mr.
They're all that. मैं
Times
उसका
are
challenge नहीं
changing,
कर रहा हूँ.
Mohammad Pirzada.
But the question is
Pirzada
whether
Mohammad
they are-
Pirzada
अरे
Mohammad
वो
Amin Shah, I'm
अमल भी
asking
उस
you a
पर
couple of
अमल
questions
पैरावी
now.
हो रहे हैं उस पर या नहीं?
Now I'm
May I
asking
come in, may I come in, please?
Pirzada, 1 second. Lubna, I'm coming to you. I'm asking
बताइए.
Pirzada, who's very self-assured tonight. Pirzada, what is Article 14 of the Indian Constitution? Let me check your knowledge of the Constitution, whether you believe in it.
मुझे तो नॉलेज ही नहीं है ना. आप बताइए ना मुझे. परसों भी आपने यही कहा था.
अच्छा, what is Article 15 of the Indian Constitution?
फ्रीडम है ना.
Article 15
अरे
बताइए.
आप बताइए ना क्या है, मैं उसका जवाब दे दूं.
Article 21 बताइए.
हेलो.
Article 21 बताइए.
नहीं, मैं यहाँ क्लासरूम में नहीं बैठा हूँ एग्जाम पास
आप
करने के लिए.
क्लासरूम में नहीं बैठे हैं, मगर जो आर्टिकल्स को आप वायलेट करते हैं उनके बारे में थोड़ी तो नॉलेज होगी आपको. चलिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ. चलिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ. चलिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Article 21 of the Indian Constitution speaks about the fundamental right to life and liberty. If a 12-year-old Muslim girl can get married off in India under Muslim personal law if she has reached puberty, it is violative of her fundamental rights by binding her even if she is a minor to another adult man without having procured her consent as an adult.
No, not at all.
No.
No. If she is minor, not. मैं आपको
No, one second.
So far,
such a rule has no business operating as a
आपका
personal
एक
law
सेकंड
in
जो
a
होता है या आधे
secular.
घंटे का होता है.
नहीं, आपको मैं तीनों बता दूं ना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के. आप ऐसे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के ऊपर हर बार बिना जाने आप कुछ भी बोलते हैं.
उनके नजदीक ये है कि एक मर्द और औरत, लड़की और लड़के की उम्र 17 साल से कम नहीं होनी चाहिए. मुतफिक के तौर पर अगर ये ही है कि देखिए डिफरेंट हम हिंदुस्तान में ले लीजिए, वहां ऐसे भी माल न्यूट्रिश इलाके हैं जहां 20 साल की उम्र भी ये लगती है, ये 10 साल की है.
दूसरे ने आपकी जो लॉ है उसके बारे में पूछ रहा हूं.
ना बात सुनिए.
नाइश हसन, व्हाई डोंट यू टेल हिम द ट्रूथ?
9 साल और 10 साल की बात कहीं पर नहीं है.
ये हिंदुस्तान में आप कहां बैठे हैं? आप कहां बैठे हैं? हिंदुस्तान के बारे में बोल रहे हैं. आप कहां बैठे हैं?
इंडिया में.
आप हिंदुस्तान में बैठे, इंडिया में बैठे, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया. So don't speak that language. Don't speak that language on the news tonight. 1 minute, sir. Respect the republic. Respect the republic. And by the way, Pirzada, you listen to me, Pirzada. Article 14 of the Indian Constitution concerns the fundamental right of equality. If a man, Lubna, I want you to come into the debate. If a man has the right to divorce his wife by saying talaq thrice in one sitting, it violates a fundamental right in the absence of her right to do the same. This rule has no business operating as a personal law in this country. And therefore,
ये बताइए इस वक्त पूरे हिंदुस्तान में कितने हिंदू केसेस पड़े हैं मैट्रिमोनियल?
ये हिंदू मुस्लिम केस है ही नहीं.
कितने केसेस पड़े
ये
हैं?
हिंदू मुस्लिम केस है ही नहीं.
Will you please tell me?
It's not a Hindu-Muslim case. You're trying to make it a Hindu-Muslim case because you don't want to address the issue.
Arnab, let me come in.
Okay, Lubna Sarwat is responding to Lubna Sarwat from Hyderabad is responding to Pirzada Muhammad Amin Shah, please. Yes, please. Your assumption to compare is wrong. I have told you from the very beginning, Pirzada Muhammad Amin Shah, that this is not a Hindu-Muslim issue. For the last 1 hour, you've tried to make it a Hindu-Muslim issue. Lubna Sarwat, please. Lubna Sarwat. Lubna Sarwat.
It is the only Islam.
Yeah, Mr. Pirzada. Coming back to the main issue of regarding the prayer, right to pray. Let us. एक minute, Pirzada ji. So let us coming back to the issue of prayer. You see, even in as I told previously, lakhs of masjids without entry of women, and I myself in 2 masjids, one near the Golconda Fort and one time near the Panjagutta, and in the abbots, I was clearly told that no, please pray outside. I was told and I have prayed outside. Come on now, please don't tell me about the entry. I am speaking from practical experience. And I have prayed outside the masjid within the compound. I am a and there were witnesses with me, people who saw that I was not praying outside and I was praying inside. Now, coming down to the other topics, no, we have to get that, we will get it, inshallah. But one second, से आप ये भी देखिए कि अभी हाजी अली दरगाह की ट्रस्ट कमेटी भी होने दो या कोई भी मस्जिद की कमेटी रहने दो, कहीं भी आपको औरत नहीं रहेगी कमेटी पे. ये क्या बात हुई? क्यों मस्जिदों की कमेटी पे औरत नहीं है? So this is one point. और बात यह है कि इतनी brain wash की विदा हो, Muslim women are brainwashed in the name of religion that she is supposed to pray at home. The home prayer at the darkest corner is the best for her. This is the type of brainwash that the small girl is being done, and when she becomes young, she feels that, oh, this is correct, and as per religion, I have to stay inside, and this is the way, this is the true mannerism expected of me. So this is a sort of a negative brainwashing that's being done in the name of religion to make us subservient. And a blockage to access of knowledge and access of information. This is the true picture of the Muslim girls.
Maulana Kazmi, please.
Yeah, you may counter me, please.
Yes.
Maulana Kazmi, I have a question for you. Just first of all, understand this. The only daira is the Constitution of India. I think all of you people, each and every one of you, member of Muslim Personal Law Board, chairman of Imam Council, and by the way, today, viewers, please remember, many of you are asking what happened to Mufti Muhammad Manzoor Ziai of the Haji Ali Dargah Trust. Well, he ran away from the program. He promised he would come. Naesh Hassan ji, आपको क्यों लगता है जो Haji Ali Dargah Trust के एडवाइजर हैं, जो आने वाले थे प्रोग्राम पे, भाग क्यों गए आज? आने वाले थे, फिर अब फोन बंद कर दिया उन्होंने. मुझे पता नहीं क्यों. He was given an invitation.
वो एक बार और भाग गए थे. If you remember.
Nice, yes, nice.
एक बार पहले भी भाग चुके.
मेरा एक सवाल है.
One second. Lubna Sarwat, 1 minute. Zina Chaukat Ali wants to come in right now. Zina Chaukat Ali.
Arnab, you don't let others speak.
Arnab,
the problem with you is that you don't let your opponent to speak.
I am letting some people speak who need to be heard also today. Yes, Zina ji.
Yes, I am only what I want to say.
It means you are biased.
Oh, so if women speak, no, one second. Sir, please.
Can I talk?
Sir, 1 minute. आज तो अपने patriarchy को दिखाइए मत television पर. If women speak, no, 1 second.
You are denying equality on news hour.
Mufti, 1 second, Maulana Kazmi. If I let you speak, I am objective. If I let any woman speak on the program, a progressive, well-aware Muslim woman, I am biased. That shows your mindset, sir. आपकी मानसिकता झलकती है उससे. जीना चौकत अली कुछ कहना चाहती है आपको? जीना चौकत अली.
जी हाँ, मैं ये कहना चाह रही हूँ that in this entire debate that I am listening to, कि you see ये नहीं और वो नहीं, I only want to say that this entire argument seems to me like a face-saving device. That women can go up to there and they cannot go further, and men could have gone, and the people in the sancta sanctorium, within the sancta, the khadims are all men. So please understand that face-saving devices will not work. You will have to accept at some stage that women will enter and will come to the sancta sanctorium also. So this kind of a lopsided argument by cutting men out and not allow, just because women cannot come in, I think is just a face-saving device to save their faces from this utter and absolute defeat that has come across. Okay. That's all that I wanted to say.
Maulana Kazmi, a question for you. A question for you, and you will be given time to think about it. Okay. The question is this, please. and Naish Hassan, everyone, Lubna Sarwat, this is the question I have tonight before I go into a break. And then after the break, I want a straight answer to this question. I want to know why women, I want to take it one step further. I am not satisfied with today's victory. I believe it's a monumental victory because it begins the basic premise of equality between men and women. But it also begins with some kind of a compromise. That women and men, 1 minute Maulana Kazmi, आप जल्दबाजी में क्यों? यही जल्दबाजी करते रहे आप कितने सालों से, गलतियां करते रहे. Now आप मेरी बात सुनिए. If women are given equal access as men, Maulana Kazmi, why deny women the right to touch the shrine or put a chaddar on the shrine?
Yes.
That's my question tonight. Why deny women the right to touch the shrine, and put a chaddar on the shrine? My simple question is tonight, you will deny men the right as well to touch the shrine or put a chaddar over it themselves, but two khadims who are always men will touch the shrine and put chaddars on it. So while you will be able to tell the whole world that you will be upholding equality by ensuring equal access, you will not be reverting to the status quo as had been directed by the Bombay High Court. The Bombay High Court spoke of a status quo. Status quo means women must be allowed to enter the shrine. The status quo means women must be allowed to put a chaddar on the shrine. When I come back, I want to know from you why women should not be allowed to touch the shrine or put a chaddar on it. That's my question tonight. Question here tonight, and I want Maulana Kazmi to answer my question, which I asked just before I went to the break. Please answer my question, Maulana Kazmi. Why can't a woman be allowed to touch the shrine and put a chaddar on it? This is some kind of a compromise. Problem kya hai aapko?
In initial point of time, I made it clear. It is it is not religious matter.
No. So what is it?
Traditional matter. Traditional matter.
It's a traditional matter.
Tradition has been that in Haji Ali Dargah, women used not to touch the chadar of the Dargah.
No, wrong.
So
that's not true. Zina Shaukat Ali, is that correct?
I congratulate you.
No, Zina Shaukat Ali, is that correct? What is the situation before 2012? Zina Shaukat Ali, if you can explain the situation before 2012. No, 1 second. I'd like Zakia Soman. You have one point of view on this. Zakia Soman is on the debate. Okay, Lubna Sarwat. Maulana, 1 second. I heard you. If you're making a factually a wrong point, you'll be corrected. Lubna Sarwat, is that correct? He says women were never allowed to enter the shrine, put a chaddar on it or touch it. Is that correct?
That's not correct. Till 2011 they were allowed.
No, let me tell you, Arnab, one point, something which everybody of us should know about these people, the men, Muslim men, how they treat this issue at all. Now the point here is that why they stop the women from getting into the masjid, and why they do not, during some time, they do not allow the women to touch even the Quran. These are those times of the woman that she has her period. During her menstrual times, the women are not allowed to touch the Quran, not allowed to enter the masjid, and let us be very clear that Prophet Muhammad during his time took the women to the masjid even when they had menses. And it is so open, only thing they would not stand in the line for the namaz, but they would very much enter the masjid, they would read the Quran, they would study the Quran.
And in Islam, the women are not allowed to touch Quran. Is it true? Where women are not allowed to touch Quran? Where women are not allowed to enter in the mosques? Even the I'm being very specific. During the menstruation, women are not allowed to touch the Quran, not allowed to enter. But the example set by Prophet Muhammad is that even the menstruating women were taken to the masjid, and they were very free, and they had a very access to knowledge to the masjid. It was not restricted at all in the way it is being restricted in this time. Menstruation period or not. It has been left up to on the conscience of the women.
You need not have a mechanism at all.
No, we don't have, but it is up to you, up to the women. Whether they are going through this period, so they can touch, they cannot touch. Nobody is arresting them, nobody objecting to them, it is not exposed to anybody. So why are you raking up this issue?
There is no restriction at all. There is no restriction at all.
No, nobody.
This is the very basis for you people of regarding the chadar and any other thing. This is the mindset that is being developed, most unscientific mindset.
Who has not been allowed to touch Quran? Any single woman in the world?
Who
Leave about the menstruation
yes,
period.
in the
Any
household.
period.
I come from a Muslim household. I know.
Now, have anybody produce the women who has not been allowed to touch Quran?
Okay, answer the question. Why aren't you
You are
answering the
out
question?
to-
One second.
to target
One second.
Islam.
Maulana Kazmi, answer the
You are
question.
insulting Islam.
Naish Hassan, I ask him a question. Don't keep passing judgments on people, please, and don't tell people that they are talking rubbish. The amount of rubbish that you are speaking, Maulana Kazmi, is unbelievable here tonight. I want you to answer my question. Why do you not allow women the right to enter the shrine and put a chadar on the shrine themselves? What is the problem? Naish Hassan, what do you think is this problem
Arnab,
with them?
My
What do
question
you-
is why women are not allowed in the Dhoni's cricket team? Why women are not allowed in the
this
metro
is-
specific bogie for the women? Why women are not allowed
this is
in the
this
Dhoni's
is
cricket
irrelevant
team?
question. Why
There
you
should
are
also
just
be-
going to the Dhoni
there
team
should
and all?
also be equality in the Dhoni's cricket team.
But this is
Okay, fine.
very
Now-
common
Number of the
practice
women
here
should
in
be
Lucknow
included in the Dhoni's
even.
cricket
Then
team.
No, because
And why there are
one minute.
separate-
You know, Maulana,
women
you're
are
losing the
not
plot here now.
allowed to go to
Maulana, you're losing the plot here now. Be serious. I told you to be serious. Maulana Kazmi, I won't respond to those kind of frivolous points here, please, tonight. Serious discussion going on. You want to make it frivolous because it suits you, because you've run out of arguments here tonight. The simple point is,
You are not able.
Maulana Kazmi,
You are not
Maulana, don't
able
shout. Maulana,
to
don't shout.
convince the
Maulana,
nation
don't
on
shout.
these
Maulana,
issues.
don't shout. I think the
Because
reason.
there is
I think the
also
reason.
equality.
Arey, bhai,
It is
relax.
not
You see today, Maulana,
equality.
can you compare the way in which you and Mr. Pirzada, right, and Professor Samdani are responding compared to the four women tonight? They are responding with a sense of calm, composure, knowledge, fact, and confidence.
The male participants are...
No, the male participants, though I'm not dividing it on those lines
Going
tonight.
away when it's
May-
come to the cricket team.
Viewers,
Why? You should-
viewers, 1 second, an observation which I'm making.
बहुत ही बड़े
Mr. Pirzada, please, I can't have both of you together. Mr. Pirzada.
Divide and rule.
Yes, Mr. Pirzada, don't shout both of you together, Mr. Pirzada, please. Yeah. Yes, Mr. Pirzada, I have a question for you.
No,
I have a
बताइए.
question for you. I have a question for you. Just calm down today, take a deep breath, relax. You are on the losing
मैं तो
side
calm
and
ही
you will
हूँ.
be on the losing side for a very long time. Your attempt to
Who
make
are
it a
you to
Hindu-Muslim
decide
issue
whether
has
I am on
failed.
losing side or not?
Your attempt to
My
make
all
it a Hindu-Muslim
sisters,
issue has
the part
failed.
sisters
And,
should
and,
know
and the
if
question
they are-
and the question
but
for me
they
tonight
should,
is,
they should follow the commandments of Quran. They should follow. अभी जो मेरी बहन कह रही थी कि सूरह नूर और सूरह निसा की बात कर रही थी, मैं उनसे पहले ये जानना चाहता हूं क्या पहले वो उस पर अमल कर रहे हैं तब जाके वो कह रहे हैं कि हम मुसलमान हैं? अगर वो उस पर अमल कर रहे हैं, अगर वो पर्दादारी कर रहे हैं, अगर वो इस तरह से जो वो आ रहे
आप
हैं
कितने पे अमल
मीडिया
कर रहे
के
हैं?
सामने,
अपना
क्या
डेटा
उनको
दीजिए।
कुरान वो अलाउ करता है?
yes,
give
Naish
your
Hassan,
data.
Naish Hassan.
हाँ, मैं बताइए ना क्या चाहिए? What kind of data you need?
हमेशा
I will
औरत से ये
provide
क्यों
you.
पूछते हैं?
मैं अपनी बहन से पूछ रहा हूँ, किसी और से नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ, आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ।
We are not going to give you
जितने भी
answer that.
पार्टिसिपेंट्स यहाँ बैठे हैं, वो कुरान को
क्यों
लेकर
ये
डिस्कस
हर
कर रहे
आदमी
हैं, क्या वो
पूछता है
कुरान को
औरत
फॉलो
से
कर रहे
जैसे ही
हैं?
वो रिलीजन पे बोलती है, दे आर आस्किंग जस्ट गिव योर डेटा. वी विल
औरत
नॉट
को
गिव
जो
यू
मुकाम
डेटा.
दिया है, इस्लाम ने दिया है, कुरान ने दिया है. बात लिसन टू मी. औरत को जो मुकाम दिया है वो इस्लाम ने दिया है, कुरान में दिया
No,
है.
we are not
अगर आप उस
answerable
पर
to any
follow नहीं
mullah
करेंगे,
that
उसको
what
follow
type
नहीं
of
करेंगे,
namaz we are
तो
offering,
आप देखिए, आप
roza
कहते
and
हैं,
whatever
इस कब्र को हम
ibadat
touch
we are
करेंगे तो
doing,
जन्नत
we
में
are not
जाएंगे.
going to answer
This is
you.
बात सुनिए. I don't require your answer. I don't need.
Mr. Pirzada, first of all, I'll tell you one thing.
जी.
Now you will be quiet while
पहले
I'm
आप
speaking.
आपसे मुझे ये शिकायत है, आप
आप
म्यूट कर
शिकायत
रहे हैं,
मत
आप
कीजिए.
इसमें भी माहिर हैं.
आपको मैं कुछ कह रहा हूँ, प्लीज. मैं कुछ कह रहा हूँ, ठीक है? आप मेरी बात सुनिए प्लीज. बात ये है मिस्टर पिरजादा, दैट आपकी ये स्टैंडर्ड टैक्टिक है. आप हमेशा ये कहते हैं मैं अपनी बहन से पूछ रहा हूँ, और उसके बाद आप ऐसी बातें करते हैं जो किसी अपने दुश्मन से भी ना करे, और ये आपकी टैक्टिक हो गई है. आप किसी को इस प्रोग्राम पर ये नहीं कह सकते मैं अपनी बहन से पूछ रहा हूँ, और उसके बाद ऐसे बात करे जैसे उनको दबाने की कोशिश करे. कोई नहीं, मेरी बात सुनिए. मैं आपको मैंने बोला दरखास्त की ना मैंने आपको. आपका जो ये है ना, ये स्ट्रेटेजी बंद कीजिए. Now my question is right now, so don't try this tactic. My question is, and I want to go back to the member of the Muslim Personal Law Board, Professor Shakil Ahmed Samdani. Professor Samdani, my view is that now you will have to prepare for a bigger change, because the next issue will be triple talaq. And I know you are not comfortable with this subject, but I'll explain to you. What is this fight about, Professor Samdani?
जी जी.
This fight is about equal rights for women. You understand? This fight is about equal rights for women. Is it or is it not? Lubna Sarwat, Naish Hassan, Zakia Soman, is it about equal rights for women or not? 1 minute, Professor. Professor, 1 minute. This is about equal rights for women. Equal rights for women, that's all. So equal rights for women cannot end with the right to pray at Haji Ali. Because there are women like Shaira Bano who will knock on the doors of the courts because they are left abandoned by their husbands at the power of a practice called triple talaq. They want justice for the system. Hence, Haji Ali is the beginning of the fight, not the end of the fight. Am I correct here? Lubna, do you agree with me that Haji Ali is the beginning of the fight, not the end of the fight? The fight has now begun. Are you with me on
and
this?
also I want to
Yes, Lubna. Yes, Lubna.
मुझे ये कहना है
Lubna, go ahead. Lubna,
There's
बोलने का
a-
point.
मुझे ये कहना है कि ये फाइट
Yeah, Professor. And Arnab.
डायरेक्शन में फाइट जा रही है और मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि ये राइट डायरेक्शन में फाइट जा रही है और चूंकि आज जितनी लेडीज मेंबर्स हैं इन्होंने प्रेयर की बार बात की है, मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि वो प्रेयर की बात कर रही हैं। तो मैं आपसे वादा करता हूं कि जिस मस्जिद में औरतें नमाज पढ़ना चाहती हों वहां पढ़ने के लिए जाएं और अगर कोई उनको रोकता है तो वो बताएं। मैं बैसियत पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड के मेंबर के नहीं, बैसियत एक इंडिविजुअल एज ए सिटीजन।
No. You have no control over this anymore. Professor Samdani.
नागरिक हूं मैं यहाँ का।
Professor Samdani, now don't say I'm a Nagrik. First, today you have come on the program. Yes, Zakia Soman is saying
We
something.
have not authorized them to speak on our behalf.
Yes, Zakia Soman, go ahead. Zakia Soman wants to say something. You go ahead to the member of the Muslim
We do
Personal
not recognize personal law board as our representative.
Well
We
said.
have not authorized them to speak on our behalf.
मैं
They
तो
are part of the problem. In fact, they are the problem. So they should stop pretending about providing solutions. They need to abolish themselves.
As a human being,
they need
I
to
am
go home.
offering my services to you.
Or the only other alternative that they have, that they have to respect the
अगर कोई आपको
demands
नमाज
of the
पढ़ने से
women.
रोकता है,
They have to
किसी भी
recognize
मस्जिद
the
में, तो मैं
women's
आपका साथ
voices
देने के लिए
and give
तैयार
them
हूं।
all the space. Otherwise, they should all
मैं तो
retire
आपकी
and go
बात को
home.
सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ। I am
नहीं,
supporting
नहीं,
you.
नहीं,
That if you want to pray, offer prayer in
No,
mosque,
she's not
we
saying
are
that.
ready to help you.
No, she's,
I am supporting you.
Professor Samdani.
I am supporting you.
Professor Samdani, did you hear her or not hear her? You know, you heard what she
मैं
said.
तो यही कह रहा हूँ
No,
कि मैं
you
उनका
heard
साथ
what she
दे रहा
said.
हूँ।
No,
उन्होंने
Professor,
कहा
you
कि
are in a
मुस्लिम
time
पर्सनल
warp. You
नहीं,
see, Professor
I heard.
Professor Samdani,
नहीं,
आप समझ नहीं रहे।
उन्होंने ये कहा कि
Professor
I do
Samdani,
not
आप समझ नहीं रहे। आपको मैं
उन्होंने
समझाता
कहा कि
हूँ।
हम
आपको मैं समझाता
recognize नहीं
हूँ।
करते।
आपको मैं
तो
समझाता
मैंने
हूँ।
कहा कि हम पर्सनल
प्रोफेसर समदानी, आप समझिए ना।
जी बोलिए
आप मेरी बात समझिए। वो कह रही है और ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग और मुस्लिम औरतें आके कह रही हम आपको रिकॉग्नाइज ही नहीं करते। भाई आप हो है कौन? नाइश हसन, द पॉइंट तो वो है ना।
हम कब कह रहे हैं कि रिकॉग्नाइज करें? वो
आप
ये
है
कहीं
कौन?
नहीं रिकॉग्नाइज करें। हम तो उनकी 50,000 की सिग्नेचर के बदले में 5 करोड़ सिग्नेचर हम जमा करने जा रहे हैं। लाखों औरतें हमारे साथ हैं। पूरे हिंदुस्तान की औरतें हमारे साथ हैं।
नहीं।
ये कैसी बात है?
we are not
आप
recognizing
recognize
them,
करने से क्या होता है?
we are not recognizing them
हम
because
उनको
they
recognize कर रहे
said
हैं। क्यों?
आपको
आपने 50,000 दस्तखत
they are
सुप्रीम कोर्ट
saying
ने
that औरत
किया है।
बहुत कम
हम
अक्ल
500
है।
दस्तखत
Then
आपको
if
पेश
we'll
कर रहे
go
हैं
to the
आपको।
mosque
आपके-
and you
आपके
and
कहने
your
से-
people will
अरे
not
सुनिए
allow,
प्रोफेसर, कह रही
then
हैं
we
तो-
will go to the police,
आप अपनी
not to
औरतों को
you.
कम अक्ल कह रही है, कितनी गलत बात है भाई।
नहीं,
आपको कोई हक नहीं किसी औरत को कम अक्ल कहें।
Not to you.
अगर कोई औरत इस्लाम को फॉलो कर रही है या बोर्ड के साथ है
ये आप क्यों
तो आप
बोले जा
उसको
रहे हैं?
कम अक्ल कहेंगी और अपने को ज्यादा अक्ल मत। ये तो कोई
आप
बात
देखिए
नहीं,
प्रोफेसर
मैडम, मुझे
समदानी,
ऐसी बात है।
नहीं,
प्रोफेसर
we are not in
नहीं,
board.
one second,
We are not with
नाइश
board.
हसन, नाइश
We
हसन,
are
नाइश
following
हसन,
Islam,
नाइश जी,
but we are not with board.
मैं खामोश हो गया, आप बोलिए।
नाइश जी,
मैं खामोश हो गया।
नाइश जी, one second, नाइश जी, just wait a while. प्रोफेसर समदानी, लोग ये कहते हैं ना कि जब कोई आदमी टेंशन में आ जाता है तो कुछ भी बोलना शुरू करता है। आप बहुत टेंशन में आज प्रोग्राम पर। आप समझिए आप पर क्या
मैं
आफत
टेंशन
आज
में
पड़ी
बिल्कुल
है।
नहीं
ये
हूं,
कहते हैं ना
बिल्कुल
कि
नहीं हूं।
आप पर आज एक आफत आ पड़ी है। सुनिए, you are on the horns of a massive
कोई
dilemma.
आफत नहीं है।
And I'll tell
हम
you,
तो स्ट्रांग हुए हैं। हम तो स्ट्रांग हुए हैं।
today the problem is, again you see, viewers, I just want you to compare and contrast two things today. I want you to compare and contrast the manner in which 4 strong, confident, well-spoken, well-articulated, very well aware and independent Muslim women, 4 Muslim women, I want you to compare the way in which they are speaking with facts, right? And I want you to compare it to the way in which the three men on the program who represent the male chauvinistic establishment out there are speaking there tonight. Now my question is,
बिल्कुल गलत, ऐसा नहीं है।
होता है ना,
No,
मुसलमान
no.
होता है।
right? Okay. Now anyway, that's my view.
हम तो कुछ कह ही नहीं रहे, हमने तो उनको ऑफर किया कि if you want to offer prayer in mosque,
You are nobody
I am
to
ready to
offer.
support them.
Okay,
मैं
Naish.
उनको support कर रहा
Naish
हूं।
will say something to you. Now you listen to what here. Okay. Don't please, sir. You're giving a running commentary. Please listen to Naish. Yeah. Naish, go ahead. Naish wants to say something to you. Naish.
Mr. Samdani,
Yeah.
Mr. Samdani, Mr. Samdani, you didn't listen
जी,
me.
बोलिए।
I am saying that I am a follower of Islam, but I am not the supporter of personal law board. I am against the personal law board. And next thing, if I'll go to the
you can
mosque
say it, yeah,
for
yes, yes.
offer namaz, and if you people will stop me, then I will not go to you. I will go to the police. I will not complain you. Who are you?
the problem is that you are not going to mosque. This is the problem. Go. Everybody will support you. Everybody will welcome you. You go
Yeah.
first, go to the mosque and then complain that
Yeah.
people are obstructing you, people are preventing you. आप नमाज पढ़ने जाइए तो सही, नमाज से कौन रोक रहा है आपको? कोई नहीं रोक रहा है
Nice,
आपको नमाज।
nice,
आप जाके तो
nice.
देखिए,
Nice.
आप केरला जाइए, तमिलनाडु जाइए,
तो
कर्नाटका जाइए,
this is up to
महाराष्ट्र
me.
के बहुत से इलाकों में औरतें जाती हैं, उनके लिए पूरा सिस्टम है,
Naish.
कोई मना नहीं कर रहा है आपको।
Naish, you want to say something to him? Otherwise, I want to interrupt here. You know Naish.
There is no system in Lucknow.
Yeah, Naish.
I tried many times.
Yeah, Naish. He knows it. He knows it. He's just trying to pretend out here.
For media you can try.
Okay, मौलाना काज़मी,
No.
मौलाना
Nobody
काज़मी,
would-
मौलाना
nobody will
काज़मी,
stop
आपको
you.
मैं अच्छी खबर दे देता हूँ। अच्छी खबर दे दूँ आपको। अच्छी खबर ये है कि आज
नहीं,
शुरुआत
but
हुई है।
Samdani-
आज शुरुआत हुई है इक्वल राइट्स मूवमेंट फॉर मुस्लिम
जी जी
वुमेन।
बताइए।
Today is the start. Today is the start of that
कीजिए।
movement, and the problem with
धोनी
you is,
की क्रिकेट टीम में भी बराबर औरतों को लिए
you know, there is something called the Indian women's cricket team, and if you are not proud enough to
That
talk
is the
about it, it's not my
separation which
problem.
prove the Islamic stand.
बेवकूफी
That
मत
is called
करिए।
separation.
This is
The separate cricket
I
team for women and men. This is the same which Islam praises for.
no. You are what? You are Clive Lloyd.
Yeah.
You are Clive
Why?
Lloyd. Am I talking to you about cricket?
Why?
I mean, this is
Why?
absurd.
Why?
Lubna Sarwat,
Now, you should
Lubna
go
Sarwat.
election
I want to have a
commission.
serious discussion
You
here
should
today, and
go
I
to election
think these
commission.
men are losing
Yeah,
the
yeah,
argument.
yeah.
Pirzada,
Separate.
calm down.
Yeah,
Pirzada,
there is
calm down.
something we need.
Pirzada. Yes, Lubna Sarwat, Lubna Sarwat,
No, you
Lubna
should
Sarwat,
go.
Lubna Sarwat, and then Pirzada Mohammed Amin Shah. 4 minutes into the debate, Lubna Sarwat, Pirzada, please stop.
Yeah.
Lubna Sarwat, please. Yes, Lubna, go ahead. Otherwise, he's not going to let you speak. Lubna Sarwat, yeah.
There is one very important point that we must have observed. Just now when we raised the masajid topic, Professor Samdani told that he will support every woman's entry into the masjid as an individual but not as a board's member. No, we really want to understand this difference. Doesn't the board want to comply with the Quran?
मैंने ये बात इसलिए कहा।
Doesn't the board feel bad about this? What is the board stand on this? Why did Samdani said that I will support it as an individual and not as a board member?
Of the board, in my individual capacity, because I am not the spokesman of the board. मैं board का
Are you a
तर्जुमान
member
नहीं
of the
हूँ।
board?
मुझे तो यहाँ पे
Are you a member of the board?
Okay,
Are you not
Professor
said Lubna
Samdani,
is a member of the board?
okay, but as a member of the board, as
Lubna
a
is an
member,
active
okay,
member of the board.
agreed. As a member of the board, don't you put this resolution before the board? So, okay,
नहीं, हम मेंबर हैं बोर्ड के,
okay,
लेकिन मैं ये कह रहा हूं
as a
कि
member
मैं
of
उसका
the board,
तर्जुमान नहीं
would you
हूं।
put a
I am not
resolution
the
before the board?
spokesman.
As a member of the board, would you put a resolution before the board?
When you are not recognizing the board,
For the board,
why you want a
forfeit,
resolution from
immediately.
the board? जब आप
No.
बोर्ड को रिकॉग्नाइज ही नहीं कर रही हैं, तो रेजोल्यूशन क्या करेंगे? आपने खुद ही कह
She's
दिया।
asking
No,
you a question.
I am asking your stand.
No,
Your stand is not going to
that
affect us
doesn't
women.
matter. That
But I
doesn't
want
matter.
to understand your
No,
stand when you
Professor,
say you
Professor, I
comply
think
with
it's a
the
very
Quran.
good question, and I will close with this, but I want an
मैंने
answer on
आपसे
this
कहा
one.
कि मैं इस बात के लिए तैयार
Professor
हूं
Shakil
कि
Ahmad,
अगर ladies नमाज पढ़ना
Professor
चाह रही हैं।
Professor Shakil Ahmad, when somebody asks you a very straightforward and pointed question, if you start shouting and asking questions back, it reflects your
मैं shout
weakness
नहीं
of your
कर रहा हूँ।
position.
मैं
She is
shout
not
नहीं कर
shouting at you, but today you,
पहले ये हुआ
Pirzada
था कि
Mohammad
आवाज
Amin
नहीं
Shah
आ रही
and
थी।
Maulana Kazmi are shouting
नहीं,
at the four
यकीन
women,
मानिए, मैं shout- I am
which is
not
embarrassing
shouting.
me tonight. Now please
I am
listen to
not
me.
shouting.
Now
No,
my
I am
question to you
No,
is,
I
she's
am
not a
not
member of the
shouting.
board,
I am
but you are,
Women
and she's
are
asking you a very
sister,
straightforward
mother,
question. She's
our-
putting a very straightforward question to you. No, I want an answer to this tonight. I want an answer tonight. I have with me a member of the Muslim Personal Law Board.
No, no.
On the left, please. And on the right hand side, one after the other, we have four women out there. Zinat Shaukat Ali, Zakia Soman, Naish Hassan and Lubna Sarwat. And tonight I'm asking you
मैंने कहा कि जब
whether the
वो
member of the
recognize
Muslim
नहीं करनी
Personal
है,
Law Board
तो board-
should answer the question. Should answer the question, what do you think, Naish Hassan, that Lubna Sarwat is putting from Hyderabad? That you are a member of the Muslim Personal Law Board, will you please put a resolution? He says, she says, will you put a resolution that women should be allowed immediate and unstopped entry into all mosques? 1 second, Naish, should he answer the question? Naish, do you want a straight answer from him tonight? आप क्या चाहती है, जवाब दे कि नहीं वो? Professor Sabla,
आप कहें तो मैं जवाब दूं?
नहीं सब कह रहे हैं आपको जवाब दे।
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ आपसे
जवाब
कि पहले
दे या
तो
ना
आप
दे, उनकी
बोर्ड
बात
को
से
रिकॉग्नाइज
हमको
कीजिए ना।
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
आपने खुद कह दिया कि बोर्ड को रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं करती, तो जब किसी चीज को रिकॉग्नाइज
आप तो recognize करते हैं ना।
से क्या फर्क पड़ेगा?
नहीं आप तो रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं,
खुद ही
आप तो रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं, आप रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं नहीं कि बोर्ड को, उनकी बात क्या है? मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूं, आप मेंबर है बोर्ड के, आप रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं कि नहीं बोर्ड को? अगर रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं करते तो इस्तीफा दीजिए, अगर रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं, अगर
मुझे फक्र है कि मैं बोर्ड के मेंबर हूं।
ठीक है, आप अगर बोर्ड के मेंबर है, आपको फक्र है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, मगर मैं सवाल आपको पूछ रहा हूं कि आप आज जवाब दें इस वक्त प्रोग्राम पर कि आप रेजोल्यूशन लाएंगे कि नहीं कि मुस्लिम औरतों को मस्जिदों में एंट्री देनी चाहिए? मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड रेजोल्यूशन लाएगी कि नहीं? आप बताइए आज,
आप ये बताइए,
आप लाएंगे कि नहीं?
हाँ, हम बता रहे हैं आपको।
आप बताइए, आप तो आप लाएंगे
क्या
कि नहीं?
कभी मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड ने ऐसा रेजोल्यूशन पास किया कि औरतें मस्जिद में नहीं जाएंगी? अगर ये पास किया हो तो आप बताइए।
मैं तो आज क्यों नहीं जा सकती? क्यों नहीं जा सकती? तो फिर क्यों नहीं जा सकती? जाकिया सोमन अवॉइड कर रहे हैं सवाल को अवॉइड कर रहे हैं। जाकिया सोमन क्यों अवॉइड कर रहे हैं? Why is he avoiding the question? Zakia Soman, he's trapped now. Zakia Soman, why is he avoiding the question?
They are the
Zakia
root
Soman.
cause. They are the root cause of the situation in our country. The Personal Law Board is instrumental in denial of rights of Muslim women, be it triple talaq, be it Darul Qazas, which are extremely patriarchal places which just validate triple talaq. It's the Personal Law Board's regressive stand, is their male-dominated worldview which has been instrumental in denying us our place as citizens of India. But the silver lining is, Arnab, that it is beginning to change now.
And what is the representation of women? I also want to know. I also want to know. I also want to know from Professor Samdani. Professor Samdani, I want to know from you, what is the representation of women in the Muslim Personal Law Board?
मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड में अच्छी खासी तादाद में, बड़ी तादाद में भी हैं वीमेन है, और वीमेन है मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड में।
परसेंटेज
बड़ी परसेंटेज में
नाइश हसन कह रहे हैं आपको। नाइश हसन,
women are very patriarchal.
अरे कैसी आप बात कर रही हैं? हैदराबाद में अस्मा जोहरा है, उनसे लाइव डिबेट करा लीजिए। आप इंग्लिश में भी करेंगी, उर्दू में भी करेंगी, आप उनसे बात कर। पैट्रियार्की, अच्छा जो आपका साथ रहते हैं वो पैट्रियार्की हो गया। आप मॉडर्न समझ रही हैं अपने को।
ओके, विल यू, आप रेजोल्यूशन कब ला रहे हैं? आप रेजोल्यूशन कब ला रहे हैं प्रोफेसर? आप रेजोल्यूशन कब ला रहे हैं? आई एम आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन ऑन पब्लिक डिमांड टुनाइट। आई एम आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन एंड आपको पता नहीं कितने लोग इस वक्त फोन कर रहे हैं हमारे न्यूज रूम में, कितने लोग फोन कर रहे हैं न्यूज रूम से, पूछ रहे हैं कि यार 10 बार 100 बार सवाल पूछ रहे हैं मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड को, भाग रहे हैं सवाल से। 1000 बार भी कोई आपको पूछे तो आप जवाब नहीं। आप रेजोल्यूशन कब लाएंगे? आप मुस्लिम औरतों को मस्जिदों में लाने के लिए रेजोल्यूशन कब लाएंगे? इतनी मुस्लिम औरतें कहती हैं मस्जिदों में नहीं जा सकते, क्या झूठ बोल रही हैं?
मुस्लिम औरतों को
इतनी औरतें बोल रही हैं कि मस्जिदों में अलाउड नहीं, क्या झूठ बोल रही हैं? क्या झूठ बोल रही हैं ये औरतें?
कभी मना नहीं किया।
सारे औरतें झूठ बोल रही हैं क्या?
अगर बोर्ड ने मना किया हो नहीं, झूठ के बाद
नहीं, आपने मना नहीं किया, मगर आपने औरतों को मस्जिदों में जाने के लिए, अगर उनको तकलीफ हो रही है तो आपको क्या तकलीफ है? उन औरतों को सहायता करके आप एक रेजोल्यूशन रखें कि कोई अगर किसी औरत को किसी भी मस्जिद में एंट्री से कोई रोके तो उन पर क्या कार्रवाई होगी? आप बताइए। आप तो अपने बेसिक काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप कैसे मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड चला रहे हैं? लुबना सरवत आखिरी सवाल पूछ रही है आपको। सवाल का जवाब नहीं मिला। Lubna Sarwat, please, and then I close the debate tonight on the news. Lubna Sarwat is the last word tonight. Lubna Sarwat from Hyderabad. He could not answer the question. He could not answer the question.
हाँ, तो
आप कैसे कर रहे हैं?
तो ये जो
रेजोल्यूशन आप दिखा,
तो लाखों की मस्जिद में आप ये कहते मत जाइए कि आपको किसने अंदर नहीं आने दिया। मैं आपको ये बता चुकी हूँ कि मेरे पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस जो हुआ है, आई वॉज डिनाइड एंट्री एंड आई वॉज नॉट अलाउड इन द मस्जिद एंड गिवन एन ऑफिस स्पेस टू ऑफर माई मस्जिद। और आपको ये पता है, इंफॉर्मेशन कमीशन की ऑफिस में जब जाती हूँ तो मैं कार की गैराज में मैं नमाज पढ़ती हूँ, बल्कि बाजू मस्जिद में नहीं जा सकती हूँ, मुझे एंट्री नहीं है। And today, because in the front of the open channel, I am telling you that I have undergone this. Why don't you put this in front of the board and let us see what is the board's answer to this? Will the board give a direction to all the masjids telling that let us comply with the Quran and allow women in the masjid? Let us be cooperative with each other. We are not fighting here. We are discoursing.
Okay,
हम लोग
closing.
डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, हम लोग यहाँ डिबेट नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Well,
Please be cooperative and let us usher in a new era
I'd like
where
to
you
congratulate-
empower women with right to entry, right to information, right to access. Why are we denying them this?
Well,
And of course, the country has to move on to 50% parliamentarian. We are not even accepting the 33% in the parliament. We want a 50% in the parliament. We are moving to that stage today. Bring 50% in the board as well. Bring 50% in the masjid committees as well. This is where we have to evolve.
well,
Let us discuss this.
At the end, Lubna, I just want to say something. Today is a big day in the fight for equal rights, in the right to pray. But the reason this is the start is because girls can still be married at 13, 14, 15 years of age. Polygamy exists. A man can have 4 wives. And people can be given triple talaq on WhatsApp. And which is why I am saying with all the conviction at my command that today is the day, mazhab ke naam pe ye sab mat kijiye, today is the day, it's a big victory, it's the start of a long battle for the right to pray. I thank you all for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, thank you.
The News Hour at 10 with Arnab Goswami.